She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something.
Hey guys, welcome back to Nev Plays, and we're doing a vlog.
We're making a tent. I don't think it's gonna be successful.
Bro, it will be successful,
It's
trust.
falling apart. Yeah.
Okay, well, we can try.
Is it tight?
Oh, this one.
Okay guys, we did it.
I don't know how we did it.
I think there's a spider in here, Loki. Okay guys, so we're gonna change and fix up the tent, and we'll show you guys the process. Okay guys, so we have the tent. No shoes in the household. Okay, so here's a view in the inside. This is Bella, Aaliyah, and that's me. So yeah. Wow.
You're supposed to like go around.
Oh, sorry. Okay, ready, go.
Wait, no.
Bro. Okay, ready, go. Oh my gosh, you're so dumb. Okay guys, so now we're making a pizookie.
Maybe a giant one.
A giant pizookie. Stop.
Bro, your hands are melting it.
These are our s'mores. Where are we aesthetic moves?
Vanilla ice cream on with this banana cookie. That didn't even cook right. Look at this. It's not even good. I told you. Coconut ice cream in this bar. I told you it wasn't good. It's okay, it's edible at all. Stop, no. Oh, sorry.
I'm out here because it's super hot. Why is your phone on the playground?
I don't.
Guys, I had to put my camera back inside because it's gonna rain. So we put the tarp for some reinforcement. So guys, we got a fan in here, and it's like lightning and like. We're watching a movie. Everybody say bye. Oh my god.